Namaste. Sorry about that interruption. This is Ezekiade for the Golden Circle Movement channel. In continuing about Arts District Healing Center, the Johrei Workshop had concluded, and we were called upon, my wife and I, to lead a prayer service for Chad Byrd, who was killed in a car accident. And a lot of the members of ADHC showed up, and we all took turns saying our statements to Chad, to the universe, and blessing him in his journey, on his journey, blessing him with light to continue on in his knowledge, his studies, his evolvement. So that was a period of I had apprehension because, I never really considered myself um, like a spiritual leader type or whatever you might call that. But then it happened at Carl Bean and again at ADHC. So it was something that gave me perspective um, in my responsibilities, my duties in this life. I should also mention, while we were at Arts District Healing Center, we came under a great deal of scrutiny from the organization. Uh, my wife and I were doing something that hadn't really been done locally before. We were uh, setting up our own center from scratch within the offices of another organization with their blessing and their support and sponsorship. So Izanome sent uh, someone to, I guess you would say, inspect us, to see if we were following the proper teaching methods. Sent this person all the way from Japan to check us out. And he did, and he loved it. While doing so, while giving light, exchanging light, we play isochronic tones to create a field of understanding and peace and love. We recorded a lot of the sessions, but I had to take them down due to uh, personal, uh, how would you say, conflict issues, in that we didn't have releases to have videotaping of passersby and people who were not necessarily participating with the program. So we had to take those clips down. It was a time of great energy. As there are in great numbers, there is great energy. So the lesson of Arts District Healing Center was, I should also point out, the lesson of Arts District Healing Center was the food. You know, between, I would say, aloe and sugar, and many others who participated in food preparation for Arts District Healing Center. The food being organic, natural, healthy, just deliciously made with love, was a very powerful influence on all of the members. We ate that love and ingested it. That love it's still a part of us today. And I feel that one day we ADHC members will meet again, and we will unite for an even greater purpose. And it will be beautiful. It's beautiful now that we have all spread like seeds all across the lands. And here we are in Utah, and still manifesting light, magnifying light, channeling light. Let's see where this will take us. What are your experiences with the light? Have you had any profound changes? What has happened in your family, your friends, loved ones, as you have received light or given light? If you have questions about how to become a light practitioner, please, all of these items, leave your questions and comments below. Subscribe to this channel and give us a like. Make sure you get the notification bell so you know when we're uploading new videos. This is Ezekiel Ade for the Golden Circle Movement channel. Namaste.